Imagine you're planning a trip to Japan. You've got your flights booked, your itinerary planned, and your suitcase packed. But what about your money? Exchanging currency at the airport can be expensive and inconvenient. That's where YouTrip comes in. Ever wondered if there's a better way to manage your finances while traveling? A card that lets you spend in multiple currencies without hefty conversion fees? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTrip, a popular travel card that's making waves among frequent travelers. We'll cover everything from how to get one to the benefits it offers. What is YouTrip? YouTrip is a multi-currency travel card that allows you to spend in over 70 currencies. It's essentially a digital wallet that you can use to make payments anywhere in the world. Key benefits of YouTrip. No conversion fees. One of the biggest perks of YouTrip is that it doesn't charge any conversion fees. This means you can spend in foreign currencies without worrying about hidden costs. Real-time exchange rates. YouTrip uses real-time exchange rates, ensuring you get the best possible deal on your transactions. Cashback rewards. YouTrip offers cashback rewards on your spending, which can add up over time. Easy to use. The YouTrip app is user-friendly and allows you to easily manage your card and transactions. How to get a YouTrip card? Getting a YouTrip card is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download the app. The first step is to download the YouTrip app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up. Create a YouTrip account by providing your personal information. Verify your identity. You'll need to verify your identity by uploading documents such as your passport or driver's license. Order your card. Once your identity is verified, you can order your physical YouTrip card. Activate your card. Once your card arrives, you'll need to activate it in the app. Additional tips. Load funds. Before you travel, make sure to load your YouTrip card with funds in your preferred currency. You can do this using your bank account or credit card. Check exchange rates. Before making a transaction, it's a good idea to check the current exchange rate to ensure you're getting a good deal. Use the YouTrip app. The YouTrip app offers a variety of features, including the ability to lock your card, check your transaction history, and set spending limits. So, if you're planning a trip abroad and want to avoid the hassle of currency exchange fees, YouTrip is definitely worth considering. With its competitive exchange rates, cashback rewards, and easy-to-use app, it's a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances while traveling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.